Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to smooth a magic wand in Photoshop. Let's begin. Right click the quick selection tool. Right click on your mouse. Select magic wand tool. Click multiple color. You can select object for magic wand. For best way, select one color. I used or background. Okay. Then clipping mask. Press Ctrl I. Right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer. Then hold Ctrl, select for this layer, refine its radius, smooth, feather, contrast. You can change for your best performance. Click the drop down menu, layer mask, click OK. Now we can see this smoothly. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.